Okay, with all that done, we are back, and now you can see that it is dried. Then we came back and took some regular drywall mud, some water, and a new sponge brush, and we put a small thin layer of drywall mud all over everything, filling the holes, smoothing it out so you don't see all that texture of the cloth. And we did it all the way around. It's still drying. The only reason we didn't film it is, well, there's a couple reasons. One, too messy to be touching the phone during that. Two, pretty much showing you exactly what we just showed in fast forward, except with some watered down mud, just enough to make it more pliable and thin. And once this dries, we will do a little bit of sanding with some 120 grit sandpaper by hand. Many reasons for that. One, because of the contour. Two, dust. Even with a dust collector on it, it'd just be too dirty for such a small room and don't want to get in everywhere in the house. And then after that, what we're going to do is we're going to vacuum this all up, wash the track, and then we're going to paint it. Some people use the paint itself to hold the first layer of grass down. We're not going to do that because we want more layers of stuff, so it's thicker, it's harder. The plants will stand up easier and stuff when we make holes in it. So we're going to paint it a nice little green color, and then we're going to put some grass on it from that really fine turf stuff from Woodland Scenic. And we're going to spread some glue all over this in the little sections and shake it on. So stay tuned.